Hello, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the default Visual Studio terminal text. This is the default text that is shown, but it's not very appealing, so let's change that. Navigate to your search bar and locate PowerShell. Once you have opened PowerShell, type test path $profile. Once you have pressed enter, it should return false if you do not already have a profile. Now follow with what I do. Create a file within Visual Studio Code and write the following. Now copy this code and paste it into the file we opened earlier. Now we have upgraded the text to a more aesthetically pleasing format, eliminating the unattractive appearance. You can modify it in the file however you like. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this short tutorial useful.